Welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I want to present a spring joy exploding box I made using papers from my new collection Rainbow Meadow. Exploding boxes are one of my favorite forms of handicrafts. When folded, they look like regular boxes, but the sides of the box bend outwards to reveal a surprise inside. The inside walls of the box are decorated with beautiful paper ornaments from the extras set that comes with the collection. Additionally, the back wall of the box has a pocket with a small booklet for writing greetings and notes. The centerpiece of the box is a stunning birdcage that is meticulously crafted. The birdcage is adorned with intricate details and contains two tiny birds, adding a touch of liveliness to the design. This exploding box is an exceptional gift idea for special occasions such as Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, and any other celebration. If you want to see how to make it, I invite you to watch my tutorial on my channel tomorrow. Have a great day, and I will see you soon!